What is thinning in grapes?
Sorry sir, I'm not aware right now.
What is this Briggs index?
Sorry sir, I'm not aware.
Sugarcane maturity.
Sugarcane, yes, based on the type of soluble sugars.
Why can't you finance only single cow?
We usually make it in pairs, sir. That's why.
Why? What is the reason?
Sorry sir, I'm not aware right now, but I'll update myself.
Only repo rate or anything else also?
They make loans cheaper or expensive.
Loans cheaper. Have you heard of CD ratio
Sorry sir,
in the banking parlance?
I'm not.
How much bank can finance? Suppose a bank gets 100 rupees deposit. How much bank can finance?
I'm not aware, sir. May I come in, sir?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Take your seat.
Thank you so much.
Shashidhara?
Shahidur Rahman. Shahidur Rahman Ali.
Very good. Tell me something about you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Shahidur Rahman Ali, and I'm from Shimoga, Karnataka. I have done my graduation in BSc Honours Agriculture with a CGPA of 8.57, and I have done honours in that course.
BSc Agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first we will start with our specialist.
Yeah. You are from Shimoga.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shimoga, we call it as a
Malnad.
Malnad. Then Sahyadri.
Yes.
Okay. And who is the Jnanapita awardee, Rashtra Kavi from your area?
Our beloved Kuvempu sir, Shri Kuvempu sir.
And Dr. Nisar Ahmad.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Which river flows there?
Tungabhadra.
Tungabhadra. You are Mr.
Shahidur Rahman.
Shahidur Rahman. When did you complete your BSc Agri?
In 2021, sir.
2021. Why did you not pursue MSc Agri?
I'm preparing as an aspirant to join in bank.
Okay.
Thus, I have not continued my masters.
So, if you are selected, how your BSc Agriculture background will help the bank?
I will help agricultural background, that is farmers, as I have specialized in agriculture. I'll help them to take loans in priority sectors, and I'll help them to come out of their difficulties, such as crop failure, insect and pest management. I'll guide them how they should increase their profit and repay the loans, thus affecting increase in their credit capacity as well as their income.
Okay. Which subject you studied in agriculture?
It's a basic course. I have studied in pest management, entomology, and crop cultivation. These courses I have studied.
Systemic insecticide we use for which type of insects?
For pests and head borers.
Okay, there are chewing by insects and
Biting.
biting is there. Sucking insects and biting insects. Okay. For sucking insects, which type of insecticide will use?
We will use systemic insecticide.
Okay. And for contact insecticides?
For biting type of.
Okay. What is induced flowering?
Induced flowering is we have to chemically induce the hormones in the system of the plant, which enhances the flowering capacity.
Okay. Do you use any growth hormone for grapes?
Yes, sir. Gibberellic acid we are using.
Okay. What is thinning in grapes?
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware right now. But I'll update.
We have uniform shape of the berry, no? We'll remove some.
Yes.
Okay. What is the difference between maturity index and harvest index?
So maturity index depends on total grown crops. How much is matured, and the harvest index is how much is ready for harvesting.
No. Maturity index means what? Harvest index means when it is ready for harvest.
Ready to harvest.
Maturity index means when it is ready for consumption.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can it be the same time or they are different? Maturity will happen at some time.
Yes, sir.
And harvest will happen some time.
It depends on ripening of the fruit.
Ripening.
Yes.
Okay, mango is harvested for what time? Before maturity or?
No, before maturity.
Okay. What is this Briggs index?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware.
Sugarcane maturity.
Sugarcane, yes, based on the type of soluble sugars
Yeah, soluble sugar
percentage, we are identifying the maturity.
Okay. If a farmer is there and he wants to supplement his income, okay, what are the activities you suggest for that person?
He can do value addition, such as if he is growing some basic crops, he can do processed food. He can go for processed food manufacturing and marketing.
Okay, value addition. In addition to that, any supplementary and complementary
Integrated farming.
Okay. Give the examples for integrated farming.
Best example is compost management and sheep and goat rearing, along with cropping.
Okay, if he is having some 2 acres of land, some fodder is growing, will you not recommend dairy animals for?
He can go for dairy farming and as well as this sheep rearing also.
Okay, we call some economic size of the animals. Okay, for financing dairy we say 2 units of 2 cows, 2 she buffaloes. Why you say 2 cows? Why can't you finance only single cow?
We usually make it in pairs, sir. That's why.
Why? What is the reason?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware right now, but I'll update myself.
For animals, milking animals, there is a dry period and lactation period. No? When if they have to pay continuously, it should give the milk continuously. If you give only 1 cow, that cow will give milk for 270 days. 90 days it will be dry. Then how will they pay during that period? To avoid that, another cow is given after 6 months, so that there will be continuous milk supply. Okay. What is the poultry?
Poultry is the rearing of birds like chicken, for example, and marketing it for.
Okay. With all this, why you are not applied for a specialist officer of agriculture officer AO? Why you are appearing for a PO?
Generally, as we consider the growth in banking sector, I want to join as generalist. That's why.
Okay.
I have not applied in a specialist cadre.
Okay. You can use your knowledge for this one, and you can be general banker also.
Yes.
Okay. What are the 3 important traits in you, characters in you that differentiates from others?
Sir, I take the empathy with the customers and I try to help them why they are in the bank and what is the reason they have come. Usually we have seen that people lack communicating with customers in the bank. This empathy I feel for the customers and I'll try to help them with them.
What is the difference between empathy and sympathy?
Sympathy is just like we are giving this, we are feeling sorry for the person. Empathy is understanding what is the root cause for the problem he is facing.
Okay. Just you are empathetic person, will you deviate bank norms and be empathetic to the person?
No, sir. I strictly follow SOPs that are guidelines given by the bank.
Okay. Suppose if a customer wants to open an account, okay, what are the SOP you follow?
He wants to open a bank. First, he should adhere to the RBI's KYC norms, and he should be resident. And we can open his account with based on either BSBD or normal saving bank.
Suppose the customer is having already an SB account with you, and he comes to open another SB account. Will you allow?
No, sir. Only one SB account per customer is allowed.
Okay. How do you check that customer is having already an SB account with you?
With KYC, we can check, sir.
With KYC, you can check.
Yes.
Or customer information, CIF file is there.
CIF, customer ID, we can search.
Okay. In KYC, you say there is a KYC, re-KYC, e-KYC, C-KYC. What are all these things?
So, e-KYC means electronic KYC. In this case, the customer verifies his identification with his fingerprints.
Okay.
That are captured through a device, and he can verify whether we can verify the customer is genuine or not. CKYC means centralized KYC. Once KYC is done, we register it to centralized KYC registry. There we can record the details of the customer.
Who maintains the central registry?
RBI maintains.
No, CERSAI.
CERSAI. Sorry.
Okay. What is that number? Any number, digit? That's a unique identification number is given for
A unique identification number is given.
Okay. With that, any bank can open with that central KYC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When e-KYC or enhanced KYC is required, re-KYC and enhanced.
When a customer is taking a loan, we prefer for enhanced KYC to know whether any details are updated further after the first KYC is done.
See, there are some pillars of PMLA, like your customer acceptance policy, customer identification process, okay, and your risk monitoring the transactions, okay. You suppose you have mapped one particular party as a low risk party. Okay. When do you take re-KYC for that low risk?
10 years once.
Okay. If the transactions are happening more there, suppose you opened BSBD account with simple KYC. When you have to take re-KYC for that?
First we need to inquire, sir, why transaction are more. We can suggest if he is doing business, we can suggest for opening of current account. Then we
If you
will.
opened the account with a simple KYC, okay, then within 1 year you have to obtain regular KYC. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are 8 OVDs?
OVDs are officially valid documents: passport, Aadhaar, UID, PAN, and DL, and voter ID.
Suppose if you are giving loan to some NRI or anybody, do you note his passport number?
Yes, sir. Passport number and OCI copy we will take from customer, and we can note it down.
Okay. Suppose you are from Shimoga and if you are selected and posted to Northeast, okay, are you willing to work there?
Yes, sir. I am willing to work anywhere in India, exploring the great opportunity to
Some
visit.
no, suppose for Manipur now there is a lot of conflict is going on. Okay, riots are there. Will you?
Yes, sir. I am willing to work.
Okay. If you are selected, which side you prefer to work?
I will prefer to work in native place only, because I have a relation with the customers, so I can help the bank boost deposits and loans as well. If I am allotted to somewhere else, that also I am fine.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So, particularly banks are selling the third party products. What benefit the bank is getting, what benefit the customer is getting?
Sir, banks are getting commission
Okay.
on selling the
Correct.
value addition products.
What benefit the customer?
Customer is getting coverage. If we are giving insurance, he is getting the coverage. And suppose he is taking loan insurance, if any mishap happens to him, the loan is waived off and the burden doesn't fall on the customer's legal hands. To reduce to risk mitigation, we are encouraging
Okay.
products.
Why the banks are preferring CASA deposits?
CASA deposits are main, sir, for lending purpose. If we receive the CASA deposits, then only we can lend. So more CASA based percentage we have, the better structure of the bank for lending we can have. Thus banks are focusing on CASA.
Okay. Next, what is meant by priority sector lending? Tell me the 8 sectors.
So priority sector lending refers to the lending to the backward sectors. That is, the 8 sectors are agriculture sector, education sector, social security sector, and education sector, as I have told, and housing, building Rajiv Gandhi housing, for example, in metro and semi-urban areas, and for farmers we are benefiting. These are the priority sector lending areas.
Today, banks are suffering big challenges. 2 challenges are there. One is increasing in NPA. Second one is increase in the cyber frauds.
Correct.
So, if at all you are the branch manager of a particular bank, what measures you will take to arrest the cyber frauds?
Sir, first I will do the root cause analysis. I will list down how many accounts are there which comes under cyber frauds. I will identify whether they are money mule accounts or not. If they are genuine, I will advise them to how they can come out of money mule. I will suggest them to open current account if they are doing business transactions in their savings account. And if they are genuinely involved under some cyber crime, I will report it to cyber crime or police, so that they can take the further action.
Suppose in the branch complaints are increasing. What type of a risk the bank is facing, the branch is facing?
Sir, we are there for customer service basically. So if complaints are coming, there must be some
If at all that complaints are increasing, what type of risk the branch is facing?
reputation loss mean.
Reputation risk.
That is the major risk we are facing.
Okay.
Okay. Do you go through newspapers?
Yes, sir.
What type of newspapers?
I'll read in short, sir, in apps. And
What type of papers? Times of India like that, or
just general newspapers, sir.
financial newspapers you don't read?
Sometimes I'll read, sir.
Okay, but it is better to read financial newspapers.
Yes, sir. I'll try to follow your advice.
So, what is inflation?
Sir, inflation is the rise in the buying capacity of goods and services when compared to previous trend.
What are the tools RBI uses to control the inflation?
RBI uses repo rate to withdraw or inflow the cash flow in the market and liquidity in the market, and they revise the repo rates based on the requirement at that particular point of time.
Only repo rate or anything else also?
They make loans cheaper or expensive
Loans cheaper?
by increasing the repo rate or decreasing the repo rate.
No, I am talking about inflation.
Inflation, that's for
If loans gets cheaper, inflation will be under control.
no sir, it will be more.
So what RBI says? So
They will increase the deposit return of rate of interest, and thus even loans become expensive.
they will suck the liquidity from the market.
Correct sir.
Okay. Have you heard of nomination facility?
Yes.
What type of nomination facilities are there, and what is nomination facility?
Nomination is appointing a nominee
Okay.
to an account,
Okay.
such that after demise of the primary account holder, all the funds goes to the nominee.
Okay. Whether there are any changes recently in the nomination facility?
Yes sir, they can anybody can be nominee apart from legal hire. A person can appoint anybody as a nominee.
Okay. Only one?
Multiple nominee can be there sir.
How many? Restricted to how many?
4.
4. Any other information can you give on the nomination facility?
Sorry sir, as far as I can consider, this much only I can recall as of now.
Okay. Positive pay system, whether you have heard of?
Yes sir, I have heard.
What is that?
Positive payment system is instruction given by customer to bank to pay certain amount to the to whose name check has been issued.
Okay. Check.
Yes sir.
What are the instructions he will give?
He will fill a positive payment system form, and he will instruct if
Now, what are the information he will be giving?
check number, name, and amount. Pay's name and amount.
Okay. Is there any restriction above what limit it has to be reported to the bank before issuing the check?
Above 5 lakhs.
Above 5 or above 3?
Above 3 sir, sorry.
No, up to 50 no, 50 to 5 lakhs optional, above 5 mandatory.
No, they have made now above 3 mandatory.
No, it is bank to bank. RBI said up to 5 lakh. Individual banks, they have to make their own minimum and maximum.
Have you heard of CD ratio
I'm sorry sir,
in the banking parlance?
I have not.
How much bank can finance? Suppose bank gets 100 rupees deposit. How much bank can finance?
I'm not aware sir.
Okay, no issue. Regarding check clearance, whether any developments are there recently?
Yes sir, recently RBI has revised the term. Previously it was 1 day. Now they have reduced it. They have made clearing sessions, morning, afternoon and evening sessions, so that the settlement occurs in a frequent way.
Okay. And amount will be deposited to the customer's account?
Beneficiary, it will be deposited.
Okay. Same day.
Same day.
What is the difference between a check and draft?
So check is issued by a customer to a drawee after clearing. Payee, and but demand draft is a prepaid instrument where payment is guaranteed.
Okay. Who is the drawee there in a check?
The beneficiary.
Drawee.
The person who issues the check.
Drawer and drawee are the same bank, no, or corresponding bank.
It can be same bank
You
or
know, instead of customer of the bank, here the bank itself is the drawer, and he is payable in another branch of the same bank or correspondent
That
bank.
is a draft. I am talking about check.
Check.
Who is the drawee there?
Drawee is the person. Bank is drawee.
Bank is the drawee.
Bank is the drawee.
Okay. Private sector lending he was talking about, whether there are any restrictions on the banks and how much of amount is to be lent to the private sectors?
There are no restrictions, sir, but there is a
Mandatory.
minimum amount.
Mandatory
Yes,
things.
there is mandatory. In agriculture sector, we have to do 18% of the asset net banking credit facility, and maximum to 40%.
Okay.
So I asked 4 questions. First question is particularly the cyber frauds. whenever the cyber frauds are happening, what is your role as a branch manager means? I will tell to the customer about the don't share your OTP or your Aadhaar number or your PAN number to the unknown person. That information is not there in your answer. Second one, the question is bank assurance. What benefits the customer is getting on account of selling of third party products? All financial products are available at under one roof, that is the bank branch. So customer need not visit to life insurance, general insurance, mutual funds, etc., etc. The third question, particularly CASA, I ask. You talk about in a different manner, but the spread is increasing in CASA. The cost of deposits is low. The current account and savings, the cost of deposits to the bank is low. So that's why the spread will increase more. So the bank will be benefited to a large extent on account of mobilization of CASA deposits. So other things more or less okay. Sir, what about your?
Yeah, it's good. You have done confidently.
Thank you, sir.
Body language is also very good. And only thing is you keep abreast with the latest development in the financial sector.
Okay, sir.
Go through the financial newspapers, at least 1 or 2 every day. You can develop your career also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. You have your domain knowledge, and you also know some fairly about the banking and concern, the schemes, deposits, advances, private sector, all you know. Okay. Only current affairs you update,
Okay, sir.
and all the best.
Thank you, sir.